Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from That's Tech, but it's otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I'm from the internet. I'm up late because I'm being haunted by a comic. Have you ever had a story just haunt you? You're trying to sleep, the story just keeps coming up. So, Timothy Hunter, The Book of Magic, made by Neil Gaiman, was basically an equal to Harry Potter. They both made the thing at about the exact same time. It's amazing. Anyways, the Trenchcoat Mafia, Constantine, Mystery, Doctor Occult, all these people decided to get together and show Timothy Hunter what the future would be like and the direction that he should go in. Now, some of the Trenchcoat Mafia thought, maybe Tim Hunter, he should just be erased from everything. Maybe he's not so good, not all magic is good and whatnot, right? Just a story, right? Okay, so Mystery takes Timothy Hunter into the future, and this is where it gets super tech related. And we're all going towards that. Throwaway technology. Something breaks, your screen breaks, monitor breaks. You don't get in there and fix the thing usually. You just throw the thing out. Can you fix it? Yeah, but do you? No. They got so far into the future, they referenced the time when humanity had ultimately left Earth, I believe, and nothing was ever repaired. Everything was just replaced, and nobody knew exactly how things worked to begin with. They just kind of repaired it. That almost sounds like the 40K Tech Mechanicus not understanding how things work, right? Just slap holy oil on that stuff and hope it works. So, Mystery, Tim Hunter, they keep going forward into the future. They go back to Earth, and humanity's turned into these small, thin aliens. And the alien people walk out and they say, Geez, you look like you're from the past. I heard stories about the past. I heard you could catch 3 spiders a day and eat them. Whoa, what a wonderful time that must have been. And in this place, all of the stars have kind of gone away from each other. So we come from a big bang, and in one theory, we're all just expanding away from each other, and eventually all the stars will have gone away, and you'll look up and there won't be stars in the sky. And perhaps all life comes from light, and since there won't be any light, there won't be any life, and we're going into a big thing of nothingness. All that I know for sure is that nothing's getting replaced, and all signs point to the older generations legitimately don't care. They just don't care about the younger generations because they haven't really been. They thought the money would always be there. They thought the sun would always be where it was. But no, no, there was wealth. There was an economy. There was more money going around. There was more something. But like now the sun has just left us and we don't even have the technology to take care of ourselves anymore. We can't replace anything. Our replicators aren't up and running yet. I can, however, remember a time when I could have 3 spiders, as in 3 bedrooms. There was a time when I could have a 3 bedroom place for 675 a month Canadian. Not so freaking long ago. The only force that has pulled me apart from my ability to have these things, this light, is humanity. We don't care about our young. We're more interested in what we can have now than what will be later. The interesting thing is, there is psychology behind that. Sometimes it is best. I don't think I've ever been so haunted by a comic. I guess I better learn to code.